Exploring the Edge, a journey to the world's most dangerous places. From perilous peaks to hazardous war zones, our planet is far from safe everywhere. Welcome to Danger, Unwrapped. Ever wondered what it's like to scale Mt. Everest? The threat of avalanches and frostbite make it a death-defying adventure. Switch scenes to Danakil Desert, Ethiopia. With scorching temperatures and volcanic eruptions, survival here means defying all odds. Next, we dive into the Amazon rainforest. Deadly creatures lurk behind lush greenery, making every step a potential danger. War-torn Syria presents a man-made danger. Amidst beauty and history, the echoes of conflict resonate, painting a somber picture. Finally, we visit the Bermuda Triangle, where numerous ships and planes have mysteriously vanished. Are you ready for this enigma? Join us as we journey through these treacherous terrains. Remember, danger doesn't always mean do not enter. Sometimes, it's just enter with caution.